Hi there and welcome to this tutorial video where I'm going to show you how you can claim your free followers. So to get started, you need to start recording your screen on your phone. Depending on your device, the method of recording might be a little bit different, but make sure that you are recording your screen. Then as you're recording, you want to open your browser and head over to Google. Then once we're inside of Google, we are simply going to search for SMM panel hey. Just like so, and we're going to search for that. Then what we're looking for is the first link in my case, Hey SMM Reseller. So yours could be on the first page, it could be on the second page, but you want to browse and make sure that you are selecting the correct one. In my case, it's number 1. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And once I tap on that, that's going to go ahead and open up the website for us. Now, once we are inside of this website, again, make sure we're on the correct website. Check the logo here at the top. Check the URL, make sure you're on the right website. Then we're going to scroll down all the way to the footer. So I'm going to go all the way down here. And at the very bottom, underneath free tools, you're going to see it says upload video. So we're going to go ahead and tap on upload video. And that's going to bring us to this screen here. Now, once you are on this screen, you need to stop your recording. Okay, so the video that you've been taking, we're going to go ahead and stop that and we're going to save it. Once we have that saved, we're going to come back to this screen here. Then we're going to select our social media where we want our free followers. I'll go with Instagram. Then you're going to enter your Instagram username here. And I'm just going to enter a fake dummy Instagram handle for now. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on Browse Files. And in my case, I saved my video to my photo library. But wherever you saved it, you need to navigate to that video that you just took. And once you have that video selected, you're going to click on Upload Video. And as we can see, the video is uploading. And just like that, as we can see at the bottom, our video was uploaded successfully. Now, assuming that you have done everything correctly as I outlined, especially searching for that exact keyword and selecting the correct website, our machine learning system will verify the video and then you will receive your free followers once verified. Thanks for watching.